In this video, we are going to discuss about a very cool software that can save us editors freaking buttloads of time. So without wasting much time, let's go. So to install this software, we gotta install Python first. For those who don't know what Python is basically a programming language. Yeah, that's it, bro. You guys are very smart, so I guess you already know how to install stuff. But if you don't, you are free to search on the internet. Just keep in mind to check this option and pick it up. Now moving ahead, open your terminal or command prompt etc. according to your OS and type pip install auto editor. If you have installed Python correctly, with this button checked, then it should show some text like this. Now all we gotta go is on the command prompt in our video footage folders. There are two ways to do that. Just go to the folder and open cmd like this. Or like this. Or the second method is in the command prompt type cd and the path to your folder either in parts or all in one go. Now here comes the fun part. I will be covering majorly 4 features of this software. First, audio based edit. The command to cut out silent parts is like this: auto editor, then the name of the video file, then add some margin. Here margin means at how much length you want to keep before and after cutting the video. Now just press enter and wait for 2 seconds. Here you have it, my friend. Cut down video that would have taken hours to edit in a matter of seconds. Second part, motion. Now let's say you have a long video of you doing something like a time lapse of a street or an alley from where a cat passes a few times and you wanna take out only the interesting part with the movement.
Well, duh.
For example, I have this little log of me making my PC and I go here and there quite often out of the frame and the frame remains still for quite some time. Now editing it manually would have taken me hours to watch the video, review it carefully and cut down the parts. But we are smart boys. We will use this software to cut out the parts that have motion. You will need this command and then just press enter and let the software do its thing. Video with only the interesting part. Third, export to editor. All of this is fine, but we are editors and we want to take our videos to the finest. And this software tends to miss some very little parts here and there during long edits, and just robotic cutting ain't gonna make it. So the devs of the software are 10 steps ahead of the world. They have given us the ability to create an XML file that contains the information about where to cut the video very precisely. All we gotta do is add this command at the end of our commands and add whatever editor you want to use from these and just press enter. You will have your XML file. Now since I use DaVinci Resolve, I will be using the option Resolve here. And now I'm going to tell you how to import this file into Resolve. The way is going to be a bit different in each software, but here we are going to cover DaVinci only because I use that personally. You can search for other programs also very easily on how to import XML files as timeline in the software. Now what we need to do is open Resolve and press the options to import timeline like this and just select the XML file and press enter. Now mostly this shall work straight out of the box, but sometimes we face the issue regarding the timecode which gives us this paragraph of media not found in the project itself. To fix this, we need to do this and go to the timecode and put the values to 0. Damn, there's quite a bit of work done there. Now I will say that you are free to explore the software, like various parameters, way to combine them and other features. Now just before ending the video, I would like to show you this feature, using which you can download any video that uses YTDL format to be hosted on the internet, and most of the streaming services use that, like the videos on YouTube. This software makes it really easy to download videos from the internet. All you gotta do is type auto editor and then put the link and press enter, after which it will download the video in WebM format, and there is this weird part where it is remaining stuck in creating video, but you can close the window then and there without any problem. I will link all the documentation of this software down in the description. Go check them out, and also join our Discord community for any sort of help or just chilling around with like-minded people. That's it for today, and see ya. Bye.
Stop.